Today we're going to talk about downloading the GoodRX app. To get started, go to your mobile app store. At the top, search GoodRX. You'll be able to download the app in the top right-hand corner. When the download is complete, open the app. When the app is loaded, you'll be able to get started at the bottom. You can turn on notifications, adjust your location, and get started. Today, we're going to search a common drug for high cholesterol. You'll be able to adjust the doses, search a location, and then search prices. You can see the wide variance in cost using different coupons. You can click on a coupon, see the location of the pharmacy, and then you'll be able to text the coupon to yourself. Put your phone number in, and then wait for the text. You'll be able to open the coupon in your text, see the location and the phone number for the pharmacy, and then you can save the coupon to your photos, or you can pull up the text when you are done. Thank you.